Hey guys, welcome back to Mesha's Corner. Today we'll be making some corn souffle my way. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to make this into a jalapeno honey corn souffle. Some people call it corn casserole, which I think is slightly different, or corn pudding. So to my jalapeno in my pot right here, I'm going to directly add my honey. You want to put this on the stove on medium-low heat and let this just sear up together, just to marry together for 1 minute. Just a minute. You just want to break the edge off the jalapeno. Basically, that's what you're doing. You just want to take the edge off the jalapeno. So then you're going to add this to your skillet and let it go. Alright, I'm back with my half-dead whisk. To my bowl right here, I'm going to add kernel corns, whole kernel corn. From the can, you can use frozen. But if you're getting frozen, make sure you get a good brand. You're going to put cream corn down in here. I'm going to get rid of that. To this, we're going to do all the liquids first. To this, you're going to add, I'm using half and half. I've seen some people use milk or some people use completely heavy cream, but I'm using half and half. You want to get that down in there. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Then to this, you're going to add your jalapeno and honey. We're adding this part first because I want it to cool all the way down, because this didn't cool all the way down before I added it in here. And we are adding eggs, so I'm adding all that stuff first. Then I'm also going to add down in here my melted butter. Make sure you reserve some to grease your pan, whatever pan that may be. Then you want to mix this up. Alright, once you get that nice and incorporated, you want to add your eggs down in here. In this bowl right here, I have flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. You want to add that right down in there. Get this nice and mixed up. And that's pretty much it. Easy, simple, fresh, delicious. That jalapeno and honey is just going to like take it over the edge. I didn't want to make a plain basic one because basically it's all over the internet. So I decided to make this a honey jalapeno one. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It's totally optional. You do not have to add the jalapenos. It won't take away from the delicious corn souffle regardless. But it's a nice touch. Alright, so in a well-buttered pan, you're going to pop this into a 375 oven for about 45 minutes. Until it's nice and golden and perfect. I'm not sure this pan is going to fit. Let me see. Okay, it's going to fit. And then when it's done, I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like when I get back. Alright, so this is how it looks straight out of the oven, you guys. I'm going to allow it to cool. Remember, this is a egg souffle. So it is going to deflate. I think it's doing it right now, as a matter of fact. It's going to deflate. And I'm going to serve this up with some chicken and maybe some salad. Or eat it plain. Whatever you want to do with it. With your turkey. It's going to go perfectly. So, it's beautiful. Perfectly golden brown. It was in the oven on 350, I'm so sorry guys, 350 for 1 hour. Okay guys, so this is what my corn souffle looks like. I paired it with some cheesy pepper chicken. That recipe will also be out. So this is what it looks like. It's so light, it's so airy. You can see the jalapenos in there. I'm gonna try. It's full of corn flavor. Like, I like the strong presence of corn. I know we put corn in there, but I like the strong presence of the corn. I hope you guys give this a try. Thank you for watching my Thanksgiving edition recipe number 2. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.